Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool. So that AI tool comprises of different templates with respect to writing, that is research writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available in this particular AI tool. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Quickpen AI. So here Quickpen AI content creation made simple. So click here and you get started for free. So you will be getting your dashboard here. So these are the different templates you will be having. So for article and blogging, blog ideas, blog intros, blog titles, article writer, blog section, blog conclusion, article rewriter, article outlines, paragraph writer, content rephrase. So this while coming to research, we will be using this article rewriter, content rephraser, and then intro and conclusion, titles, etc. we will be doing. So next one is ad and marketing. So here you can see these are the different marketing tools, that is Facebook ads, Facebook ad lines, so related with marketing. Next important thing is that general writing. So this is also very important for us. So content shorten, you can shorten your content in different voices. Next is summarize for a second grader, like that you can summarize. Next you will be getting bullet point answers. Next answers, instant quality answers to any questions or concerns that your audience might have. Next passive voice to active voice, so rewrite with keywords, like that. These are the next grammar correction, prompt generator. So these are the things related with your general writing. So next one is e-commerce. This is regarding with your product description, etc. that there is Amazon product description, Amazon product titles, like that. Next this is related with your social media post, business, Instagram caption, Instagram headlines, YouTube related descriptions, outlines, etc. Next one is website. So you can see SEO mega tags. Next SEO meta tags, like that it will be having regarding with your SEO option regarding website improvement. Next this one is others, song lyrics, testimonials, effect questions. Next startup generator, summarizer, like that. These are the options available in Quickpen AI. Next one what I am going to is AI images. Start with a detailed description, try an example and generate. So what I am going to give is, I am going to give a random picture to be generated. So what I am going to generate is that, so always we are giving installation of solar system. So here today we will be giving some other different one. So what I am going to give is emission of CO2 from industries, like that I am going to give. So let us see. Here you can see image is not for free, you have to upgrade your membership plan. So we'll go to dashboard again. So here you can also see an option called speech to text, text to speech. So next AI codes. So you use this code generator to create any programming in any language. So let us try this. Here what I have given is title P and O, that is perturbation and observe algorithm, MPPT algorithm. Next to write a MATLAB code for perturb and observe MPPT algorithm. So here you can see perturb and observe MPPT algorithm, the implementation. This is the algorithm for that particular thing, and you can see here how it will generate the program for that particular thing. You can copy and paste, and you can customize according to your need, according to the projects you are doing. So like that you can generate code for free using this AI tool also. So next you can see this one is speech to text, text to speech. So here you can record your speech and it converted into text, or you will be text, it will converted into computer generated speech. So like that it will be having. So let us explore some of the important things related with general writing. So content shorten. So I am giving content shorten. I am going to give that content. Here I have copy and paste the content. So here you can select English like that, different languages, quality type, good, average, like that you can select. Next one is tone of voice, professional, casual, funny, like that you can select. I am giving professional. Number of results 1. Maximum result strength also you can select. I am giving all the things which is already default present in this options. So next I am going to click generate. So let us wait for several seconds and explore how it will generate that particular shortened paragraph. So here you can see this shortened paragraph of the thing what I have copied is generated. So thereby you can copy and paste this one in your research paper, and you can shorten the length of the paragraphs, or you can doing a literature survey if you are copying and copying a brief content from a paper. So in order to shorten this paper, you can use this kind of option in this AI tool. So next one is, I'm going to templates again, general writing. So you can see grammar correction. So I am going to copy and paste the same sentence again. So and I am going to give the same thing. So let us see how it will generate corrected sentences. So here you can see the grammatical problems, you click here, involved. Next you can click to enhance the power. So next ecosystem, the space is given. So like that you can change here itself, and you can correct grammatically also. This is the important option in this tool. So next one you can see article rewriter, article write and content rephrase. So I am going to copy and paste the same content again. So you can give keywords 1 and 2 if you want. So or else I am giving just for 100 words. So let us generate the content rewriter. So let us see how it will rewrite the content. Here you can see the rewritten content of the particular paragraph is given. So you can use this kind of option for this conversion process also. So these are the different options available in this tool. And also you can see, you can explore the grammar correction. Here this is a set of optimized meta title and meta description tags that will boost your search ranking from. If you are a blog post content, if you are a blogger, you can use this kind of option to give high SEO ranking articles for your blog post. So these are the important options available in this Quickpen AI. So up to 2500 words you will be getting you will be having a free words you can use. After that you will be go for a membership details. So here I have selected current plan as free, so it is giving free plan, or else you can upgrade your plan. So according to the option available here. After you will be giving change plan, so you will be having this basic plan $19 per month. So you will be seeing that 77 AI document templates, 25,000 words per month, 50 images per month, next 5,000 characters for text to speech. So like that everything is given. After that this is the pro plan, $39 per month. So here you can see GPT 3.5. so like that it will be having different options. So here you can see this AI chat. This is very important. So you can see different things here. AI chatbot, you can chat with that. So click on this option. So you can make a conversation as like in ChatGPT. So this is the important option here. So you can start conversion and start chat with AI, and you can make a chat and you can ask whatever you want. So this is also the important option available in this Quickpen AI. Hope this video will bring an aware about Quickpen AI. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.